Hey there, it's me, Teresa, and it is a lovely Wednesday night. Literally just getting home from work, and sometimes you just want something to relax. Well, if you've been following my journey, you all know that I do not drink. So, this time of year, it's all about being festive and fun, and sometimes you just want a little bit of a cocktail, but yet no alcohol involved. So, I shared this on my story not too long ago, but I just wanted to go ahead and share this again, do a live video so that you guys can watch it over and over and over again, and I can save it and submit it to my YouTube channel. So, awesomeness! Let's get started. So, first of all, I use unflavored Perrier, or you can use any kind of carbonated sparkling water. I use unflavored so I can make my own flavor, but you can literally mix it with any flavor of sparkling water you want. So, I'm going to start with, I use blackberries because blackberries have a lot of juice in them. So, I'm going to go ahead and put them in here, and I'm going to transfer it to this cool flute glass that's usually used for champagne. But again, I don't drink, so I still have these glasses from when I did drink, but I no longer drink, so I still have these glasses, and why not you put them to good use, right? So, what I'm going to start with, just a glass, 3, you can do more, I'm doing 3, but of blackberries. Let me wash them off real quick. Don't mind me. Just gonna wash them off. I have 3 animals, so you can only imagine the pet hair situation. I've been laying it down. All right, so anyway, I washed these off. I'm gonna put them in the glass. Okay, there we go. And next I'm gonna use mint. This is organic mint leaves. I am planning on getting some basil leaves and making like a lemonade, strawberry lemonade with basil. That's a good flavor combination as well. So I have 1 big mint leaf. I'm going to break it up, put it in there. I'm going to grab another mint leaf, do this big one right here. So I'm going to break it in half as well, get you nice flavor. And here we go. So next, I'm going to get my muddler. So this, again, I'm going to have to wash it off. This is something that you just smash your ingredients with. Okay? So I'm just going to get this, and I'm going to start smashing it together. Now, smashing it enhances and draws out those flavors. So the blackberries and the mint are going to be mixed together in this here, and they're going to, the essence of their flavor by mashing it brings that out. Okay? Looks very messy, but I wanted you to see it. I can't very well do it in my flute because, well, my muddler will not fit into the flute. Alright, so now I know that there's a lot of stuff on my muddler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it above here, and I start pouring in my water, which I did not open. So let me open this bad boy real quick. Fizzy! I love it because it's bubbly, and, you know, why not? So, here's my flute. Hopefully you can see it. I'm going to put my muddler on top. And it's one way of cleaning off my muddler and getting the ingredients from it into the glass where I want it. Now, look at how beautiful this looks, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, it's bubbly, it's perfect for New Year's Eve, it's perfect for a holiday. You've got bits, so it looks elegant, it looks like, oh my gosh, what is she drinking? It looks fancy. It's very delicious. And another plus is you eat the little bits of blackberry or berry, whatever berry you want to use. I haven't yet used blueberries, but I've used raspberries, and I really prefer blackberries over either one of those. I have yet to try strawberries, but again, I have an idea for strawberries and lemonade with some basil leaves. So there you have it. This is a cute, beautiful cocktail, mocktail, because there's no alcohol in it, but it is definitely something versatile for us that don't indulge in alcoholic beverages, but still want to feel and spice things up for the holidays. So, and I just realized this matches my coffee hoodie that I've been wearing all day at work. So on that note, cheers. It's so refreshing after a long day. Like I said, I just got home from work not too long ago, and I started at like 7:30 this morning. So yay for 12-hour days. Woohoo! And my animals need to go out. So on that note, cheers, toodles, love you. Watch the replay for the recipe. Bye.